Today, I'm diving deep into my experience with Fetch Rewards, the receipt scanning app that promises cashback and gift card rewards for everyday purchases. When I first heard about Fetch, I was skeptical. An app that gives you points just for scanning grocery receipts? It sounded too good to be true. So, I decided to try it out for myself and see if it's really worth the hype. Getting started with Fetch is pretty simple. You download the app, sign up, and immediately get access to a clean and user-friendly interface. The main feature is the receipt scanning tool. Every time you make a purchase, whether at a grocery store, restaurant, or even a gas station, you snap a picture of your receipt, and Fetch rewards you with points. The more you scan, the more points you earn. But here's the catch. Some receipts earn you more than others, especially if you buy specific brands partnered with Fetch.at. First, I was excited. I scanned a few receipts and quickly accumulated some points. But then, I realized that the earning potential depends heavily on purchasing certain products. If you stick to generic or non-partnered brands, your rewards grow much slower. This isn't necessarily a deal breaker, but it does mean that Fetch is more beneficial for shoppers who frequently buy brand name items. Redeeming points is straightforward. Once you accumulate enough, you can trade them in for gift cards to popular retailers like Amazon, Starbucks, and Target. However, the conversion rate isn't the most generous. Typically, 1,000 points equal about $1. It takes a while to rack up enough points for a decent payout, but if you're already scanning receipts regularly, it's a nice passive way to earn a little extra. Not sure how to avoid draining your wallet on gifts? I used to face that problem too, until I discovered Givemeo, where you can get cashback on your purchases and keep surprising your loved ones without breaking the bank. Click the link in the description. One of the best aspects of Fetch Rewards is that there's no need to pre-select offers or activate cashback deals before shopping. Unlike some competitors that require a lot of effort, Fetch works in the background and rewards you for what you're already buying. However, this convenience comes with a downside: lower earnings compared to apps like Ibotta, which sometimes offer higher cashback rates for specific purchases. Fetch also has a referral system where you can earn bonus points by inviting friends. While this can be a great way to boost your earnings, it's not sustainable for everyone. After all, there's only so many people you can refer before you hit a limit. Another thing to consider is that Fetch only works with printed receipts and linked your receipts from certain stores. If you primarily shop online from retailers that aren't supported, you may find it harder to earn consistent rewards. Additionally, some users have reported issues with the app failing to recognize receipts correctly, meaning you may need to resubmit them or contact customer service.so. Is Fetch Rewards worth it? If you regularly buy brand name products and don't mind scanning receipts, it can be a nice way to earn small rewards over time. However, if you're looking for a high-paying cashback system, you might be better off combining Fetch with other apps like Rakuten or Ibotta. For casual users, it's a fun and easy way to get a little something back from everyday purchases. But don't expect to get rich from it. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more honest reviews on cashback apps and ways to save money.